Hey guys, welcome to my Notion setup. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a tour of my Notion, and I'll be showing you how I set up my Notion. So this is my home page, and I have three little sections here: agenda, ECs. Basically, EC stands for extracurriculars, and I also have school. And I also have a little tab to the right for socials. And my social there is YouTube, and I just named this page Home because it has basically the three most important sections in it. And I also have a really pretty cover with a bunch of flowers on it. My first tab is the Agenda tab, and I'm going to click on it now. Basically, this is how I set up my Agenda tab. This is basically just a tab with all of my things to do, and I also have a quote, basically to inspire me, kind of, and I have a outline of my whole week, and in the to-do spaces, I'm going to be writing what I have to do for each day, and as I finish each task, I can check it off so I know what I've done and what I need to do. And my agenda also includes a larger calendar in which you can plan out all your events in detail. And at the bottom of my agenda, I also have a reference links section. So this is basically all of my really important links that I need to use every day. And I also have a next week section. So here I'm going to include my plans and goals for the next week. And I also have a next month section, and I'm going to include my plans and goals for the next month. And this way I can be really organized and I can know what I need to do. My next tab is my ECs, or extracurriculars tab, and here I have all of my reference links for all of my extra classes. So I mainly follow two different sections. I have a schedule section and a link section. So in the schedule, I include what time and what day I have that class, and in the link section I include the Zoom link, or since everything's online now, I include the Zoom link for that class. And for music, I also have Google Drive links and a Google Sheet link, and I will also include that. And for each of my classes, I add or delete some sections. So for example, for my RSM class, I include a student portal section. Here I'll put the link for my student portal. And for my coding class, I also included a resources section, and I will include the resources and websites that I need for my coding class. And for my Kumon class, I have a link and section for answer keys, because if I need to check my work or if I want to make sure I got the answer right, I will use that link. By having a extracurricular reference tab, you can easily find things and it'll make your work more efficient. Okay, so my next tab is the school tab, and in this tab I record all of my assignments and important things related to school. So first I have a little table/chart, and here I would track all of my assignments, and that's why I called it my assignment tracker. I would include the name of the assignment and the due date of the assignment, and if I need to, I'll also add some tags. And here I also included an upcoming tests / important dates tab. Here I would include the important things that are coming up. So for example, Friday, May 21st, I have my Unit 6 math test, and on June 9th, it's the last day of school, which I'm really looking forward to, by the way. And yeah, and I also have a link to the Google Classrooms, and these are basically just reference links, and if I click on these links, I can easily just go to all my Google Classrooms, which is super helpful. And this also helps me work a lot faster than usual, since I have all the links I need in one place. Thank you guys so much for watching my Notion tour, and I hope this video was helpful for you guys. You guys can model your Notion after mine if you guys want, and I will link my Notion template down in the description box below, so you guys can use my template as well. Thank you for watching.